The industrial biscuits ice cream. What is industrial cookie ice cream made of? Industrial cookie ice cream is a confectionery product consisting of 2 pots with ice cream inside. In which market form do companies operate? The form of the ice cream market is oligopolistic, few distributors and many consumers. Which companies are active in the industry? Algida, Valsoia, Nestle, and Samontana. Algida. Algida is a company of the Unilever Group, a British multinational group. Mission: fulfill the palates of consumers by enriching with products in line with the trends. Packaging is more environmentally friendly and compostable. Valsoia. Valsoia is an Italian company born from the idea to exploit the height properties of soybeans. How are the products? They're herbal alternatives to classic products. Nestle. Today, Nestle is a global leader in nutrition, health, and wellness. It produces food suitable for consumers suffering from eating disorders. The company isn't vertically integrated. What are its goals? Eliminate deforestation and protect natural ecosystems. Samontana. Samontana is the market leader from frozen pastures in the country. Focus on global quality like customer service. Samontana creates ice cream for the little ones and attracts their attention with prices of microenvironment and macroenvironment. Food companies are intervening on the subject of social sustainability. Therefore, we can speak of the green economy, a form of economy based not only on the use of packaging, but also on greater attention to the quality of ingredients. Stakeholders are involved in the microenvironment. Cooperation between enterprises. Italian companies seem to be increasingly focusing on reproducing cookies or snacks in new versions of ice cream using leftovers of Ringo, Pandestelle, and Loacker wafers. A curiosity. Did you know that several international studies have shown the therapeutic benefits of ice cream? According to more than 7 out of 10 experts, ice cream is good for the mood. It's particularly good for the mind. Enjoying an ice cream, therefore, offers all above psychological benefits and psychophysical enjoyment and allow people to become children again.